A thick layer of dense fog has engulfed the national capital and in several areas. In fact, the visibility is completely zero. As we speak, we are reporting from Akshardham and we'll be showing you the visuals as well that not even an inch of a temple is visible from the location where we are reporting right now. This is the flyover when you come from Noida to Delhi, in fact, and that's the visuals that we are giving you. Remember that Delhi was placed under red alert for dense fog yesterday as well, as the visibility level dropped sharply across several parts of the national capital. Now in the visuals also you can see that how the thick fog has been enveloping roads and then the residential areas, highways, which is reducing the visibility for the commuters as well. The Indian Meteorological Department has already in fact stated that this situation is likely to continue during the night as well, and in fact tomorrow as well. Remember that in fact the people of the national capital are already facing the problem of pollution, and this fog is definitely adding more to it because the movement of the vehicle is also very slow because of the fog. You can see that those vehicles that are moving slow just because of the fog, and in fact as we move from the national from Noida to in fact Delhi as well, generally it takes 20 to 25 minutes, but today it took more than 30 minutes, approximately 40 minutes, just because of the fog. And in fact if we talk about the airport or India Gate, the situation remains to be the same, and perhaps that is why number of flights yesterday were cancelled. The trains were also rescheduled, and that is also likely to happen today, keeping in mind the kind of situation that we are witnessing on the ground. Once again in the visuals, Vijay Arun is showing you that how the vehicles also are not visible from the area. That's the Akshardham flyover from where we are reporting right now. Back to you.